You want to learn how to make this delicious vegan steak recipe, then keep watching this video. Woo! Look at that. Alright guys, so inside of my food processor I have 3 cups of Vita gluten flour. What I'm gonna do next is I have an array of spices, and this is to make our vegan steak. I've had lots and lots of you want me to make this delicious vegan steak for you, so I was like, why not? Because a lot of you are just transitioning as far as like vegan is concerned. So I understand that you still want to have the texture of meat, but you don't want to have meat, correct? Okay. So I'm gonna leave all the ingredients for what I have, my array of spices that I have in here, and it's pretty much like Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, adobo, Seitan, black pepper, onion powder, and nutritional yeast, all inside of here. Now you don't need a food processor to do this, but you know what, I don't feel like needing the entire thing, guys. So I'm using my food processor just to get it started, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do after that. So once you have your 3 cups of flour and all your spices all together, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add just a little bit of liquid smoke to this, and it's probably just like 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. I'm gonna add a little bit of ketchup to this. As you may look at that, do you guys see that? I'm happy you do. Just gonna add, like, that looks like 1 teaspoon. I say 1 tablespoon. That was about 1 tablespoon. And I'm just gonna mix this all together. So I'm gonna be using a cup of vegetable broth. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. Looks really good. Look at that. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna work this. So I'm gonna take it. Just gonna cut it into 2 pieces like this. Tenderize it. Both sides. Comes right back, but don't worry about it. This is how we're gonna make our vegan steak, baby. If you like what you see so far, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on a steamer. It's gonna go on the steamer for 25 minutes. I'll show you what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna put it in the steamer, okay? Let's go. So I have my steamer. As you may see, I have some water in there. And I'm just gonna add them on here. I'm gonna leave this for about 25 minutes. It's been about 25 minutes. Put it on our plate. Don't forget I tenderized it, so this is what it looks like. This is our vegan steak made with Vita gluten flour. So this is our sauce here, and what I use, I'm gonna leave everything in the description box, guys. Do not worry, don't be alarmed, it's all good. If you love this video so far, give it a big thumbs up. This stuff smells so good. I have liquid smoke in here, ketchup, jerk sauce, some sriracha, and I'm gonna add in here now smoked paprika and some garlic powder. Blend it all together. And I'm probably gonna need a little bit more barbecue sauce. I'm not sure, but I think I am good for what I have here. And this is my sauce, guys. This is my sauce. And brush it. Brush it with the sauce. Having steak, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it, smack it, rub it down. Alright, so I'm flipping it. Doesn't it look so good? Get it all over. Look at that. It's our vegan steak right there. So my grill pan is all heated up, and you see the smoke coming off of it. So I'm just gonna take it just like that. I'm gonna put it on my grill pan. And I'm just gonna do 10 minutes on each side. Alright? Alright guys, so what I did was I flipped it after 5 minutes. It looks pretty good right now. I'm just gonna brush it with some more sauce. Okay. Just brush it. And this is a really simple recipe, guys. You don't have to be afraid to make this. Simple and easy. Look at how delicious that looks. And it has the grill mark on it. Gives you the illusion of a steak. Okay. Okay, so 5 minutes, you just flip it and just add a little bit more sauce. So you don't want it to be dried out. You do want it to be juicy. So I don't want it to be dry. So this is why I am coating it with a little bit more sauce. And you can use store-bought sauce if you want to. That's perfectly fine as well. If you love what you see so far, go ahead and give this video what? Big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't as yet. How pretty does it look? 5 minutes on each side. Flipped it. And then now I'm just going to add a little bit more sauce. Just like that. And I'm going to do another 5 minutes and then we're done. Alright guys, so that's it. This is our steak. I'm going to take it off the stovetop. Look at it. Look how pretty it looks. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and cut it up and serve it. Let's cut into it. See what it looks like. So tender. Look at that. Alright guys, that's it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, give it a big thumbs up. And what? Stay healthy.